welcome to the EU Craft Room and welcome to the Spider's Web. It's an unboxing video, and this time it is a very short one because all it is a few cards. It's an expansion pack for a certain feline based game. This one, however, is Streaking Kittens. Okay, here we are with Streaking Kittens. It's an Exploding Kittens 15 card expansion pack. Let's open it up and see what's inside. There are a few different cards in this one. So what do we have? We have the rule book, or rule sheet, however. And it goes through exactly what to do and how to set up. That's what you've got. I'm not going to go through the rules for this because, well, it's 15 cards. Let's just have a look at these cards, shall we? So first off, we have this card, which is an advertisement card. It's for a game they've done called Throw Burrito. And then there's other cards on the back that have been made. Now, what do we have? Let's zoom in a little more, shall we? So it'll get a bit clearer. And move those. So we have an Exploding Kitten card. We have a Streaking Kitten. You can draw which means you can draw an exploding kitten without blowing up. We have a Catomic Bomb. So, and it tells you exactly what's on the bottom of it or how it works. We have Super Skip. We have Garbage Collection. We have Mark. We have another Mark. Another Mark. We have Swap Top and Bottom. We have two of those. We have Alter the Future. We have See the Future. We have Curse of the Catbot. We have another one, another Curse of the Catbot, and another Swap Top and Bottom. And that's it. So that's all you get in this expansion. It says 15 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that's all we do. Well, that's all we have. So we put these cards into our Cards Against Humanity box, and not forgetting the instructions, and hopefully it will be a nice addition to the game. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.